Welcome students, another class of mathematics. We're discussing about this chapter that is matrices, and we already completed up to the portion operation on matrices, that is up to matrix multiplication. So today we will talk about transpose of matrix or transpose. What is transpose and what are the representation or the notation of a transpose of matrix and the properties of it and its application. Now, what is transpose? Let us take this matrix, the 6, 0, minus 1, 5, 2, 4, and this matrix 6, minus 1, 2, 0, 5, 4. Now check that this first matrix is of order 3 cross 2 or 3 by 2 order, that is 3 rows and 2 columns, and here it is 2 rows 3 columns. Now look at here, this first two element 6 and 0, this row transform into the first column, that is 6, 0, and the second one minus 1, 5, the second column 2, 4, in this third column 2, 4. So what we are doing, we are transforming the rows into columns. So this type of transformation, after transforming, so this matrix will call the transpose of the first matrix. That is, if we take this one is A, then this is the transpose and we represent it by A T or A dash. Anything you can write. This is the transpose. So its actual definition is, if this A is a M by N matrix, not necessarily it will be a rectangular matrix or a square matrix, any matrix you can take, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and the columns of A is called the transpose of the matrix A, and the notation is A T or A slash. So if we want to write the general form, that is A is equal to a matrix Aij M by N matrix. So its transpose we will write like that, that is A J I N by M. So this is the general representation of transpose of a matrix. Now let us find this transpose of these three matrices. First one is given, there are 3 rows, 1 column. So if we want to find the transpose of this matrix, that is 5, half, minus 1, so we have to write it in a column, that is 5 half, minus 1, and this is 1 row, 3 columns, 1 by 3 matrix. Now for the second one, a 2 cross 2 matrix is given. So let us write down the transpose of this matrix, 2, minus 1, 2, 3. Just interchange the rows into columns. That is 2, 2 and minus 1, 3. That is also again 2 cross 2 matrix. Now the third one is given, 3 cross 3 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix is given. Just transform its rows into column. So find the transpose. So first row is given, that is minus 1, 5, 6 or you can change the column to the row, that is -1, root 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, and 6, 6, -1. That is changing the rows into columns. And this is also a 3 cross 3 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. So finding the transpose is very easy. Just you need to interchange the rows into columns. That is your transpose. And now let us discuss some properties of this transpose. Like the addition, multiplication, there are some properties like the same type of properties, kind of same type of properties also here. Now a matrix is given A, and with this transpose you are taking again a transpose. That is A transpose, then again a transpose. Then you will find the original matrix. That is A. And the second property is, if you multiply this matrix A with a scalar, this is a scalar K, and then take the transpose, it will be equal to, after taking the transpose, if you multiply this matrix by K, these two values will be equal, or these two matrices will be equal. Not that values, these two matrices will be equal. Now the third property is this addition property. A plus B, then take the transpose, and it will give us the same matrix. After taking transpose, then you can add, that is A transpose plus B transpose. And one important property is this, that is AB transpose is given by B transpose A transpose. This is the common mistake you already, that AB transpose, you will write A transpose B transpose. No, this is not right. This is wrong. AB transpose, multiplication then transpose, is just first B transpose with A transpose. Since AB and BA in generally they are not equal. You know that? AB is not equal to BA. In generally they are not equal. So this A transpose into B transpose is not similar as B transpose into A transpose. So remember that this is very important property of transpose. This is very important property of transpose, and remember that. We will not prove this 4 properties. We will verify these four properties with some examples. So first example is given. This matrix A and matrix B is given. Both the matrices are 3 by 3 matrix. Then you need to verify that A plus B transpose is given by A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus B transpose is given by A transpose minus B transpose. So for the first one, firstly find what is A plus B. That is, you need to add the corresponding elements of this 2 matrix A and B. What is A? -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, -2, 1, 1. And what is B? -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Just add their corresponding elements. You will find the A plus B is given by -5, 3, -2, 6, 9, 9, -1, 4, 2. And this is also a 3 by 3 matrix. And then take the transpose of A plus B. And if you take the transpose, just change the rows into columns. So if you change it, you will write -5, 6, -1, 3, 9, 4, -2, 9, 2. This is the matrix after taking the transpose of A plus B. Now, you need to check that these 2 values are equal. So you need to find this value, A transpose plus B transpose. So what is A transpose plus B transpose? Firstly, take this transpose of A, just interchange the rows into columns. That is -1, 5, -2, 5, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1, and then -4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, -5, 0, 1. and then at the corresponding elements you will find -5, 6, -1, 3, 9, 4, -2, 9, 2. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. Now look at that. This matrix and this matrix are same. That is, I can write this matrix is A plus B transpose. So we proved it or verified it. So let's verify the second one. That is, A minus B transpose is given by A transpose minus B transpose. So firstly, what is A minus B? Firstly, find this value. Write down A, -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, -2, 1, 1, minus of -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. And just subtract their corresponding elements. You will find the matrix is given by 3, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9, -3, -2, 0. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. Now take its transpose, that is A minus B transpose. Just change the rows into columns. That is 3, 4, -3, 1, 5, -2, and 8, 9, 0. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. Now let us find the value of this A. Let us find this matrix A transpose minus B transpose. So what is A transpose minus B transpose? That will be minus. That is -1, 5, -2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. A transpose minus B transpose is given by -4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, -5, 0, 1. And subtract their corresponding elements. You will find this value is given by 3, 4, -3, 1, 5, -2, and 8, 9, 0. And this is also 3 by 3 matrix. Now look at that. This matrix is what? A minus B transpose. So we verified this. A minus B transpose is given by A transpose minus B transpose. So this type of problems are very easy, where you just need to verify this property of this transpose of the matrices. So the next one, for this matrix A and B, verify that this product AB, then take the transpose, is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A is given 1, -4, 3. That is 3 rows, 1 column. 3 rows, 1 column. 3 by 1. And here 1 rows, 3 columns. So AB is defined since these two values are equal, and the order of AB is given by 3 by 3. So first find the value of this multiplication, that is matrix multiplication AB. Find this matrix. So what is AB? A is 1, -4, 3, and B is -1, 2, 1. Multiply it. First row with first column. Row with column, you need to move like that. 1 with -1, -1, 1 with 2, 2, 1 with 1, 1, -4 with -1, that is 4, -4 with 2, -8, -4 with 1, -4, and similarly -3, 6, 3. So this is A, B matrix, the matrix multiplication. This AB is given by this matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now take the transpose, that is AB transpose. Just interchange the rows into columns. That is -1, 4, 3, 2, -8, 6, 1, -4, 3. And this is also a 3 by 3 matrix. Now your next work is to find this B transpose multiply with A transpose. You need to find this matrix. So what is B transpose and what is A transpose? Just write down their value. B transpose is given by -1, 2, 1. There will be in a column, and 1 minus 4 3 there will be in a row, and then corresponding this multiply this row with column. Same process. I don't need to explain the multiplication since you already know the multiplication of two matrices. Just move by row with column, each row with each column. So we will find this matrix 3 by 3 matrix, that is minus 1 4 minus 3 2 minus 8 6 1 minus 4 3. And look at that, these two matrices are same, that is AB transpose. So hence we verified that is AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This property is a very, very important property, and don't think that AB transpose, I'm repeating again, AB transpose is A transpose into B transpose. This is not right. This is wrong. I'm telling you again and again, this is wrong, and the right one is AB transpose is given by B transpose into A transpose. This is the right one. This is the wrong one. Okay. So next problem is given, that is A is 2 by 2 matrix is given here, and then you need to verify that A transpose into A is identity. So A transpose into A, firstly you need to find A transpose, then you need to multiply A transpose with A. You know how to multiply the matrix. So A transpose into A. So what is A transpose? Just interchange their rows and columns, that is cos x minus sin x and sin x cos x, and then write down A, that is cos x sin x minus sin x cos x, and multiply the rows with columns. So you will find the matrix is given by cos square x plus sin square x, first row first element, first row second element cos x sin x minus sin x cos x, second row first element cos x sin x minus sin x cos x, and second row second element cos square x plus sin square x. And you know that what is cos square x plus sin square x? That is the value is 1, and this 2 will cancel. That means that in this place we can write 0. So that will be 1 0 0 1, and this is the identity matrix. We already know the definition of the identity matrix, so we prove that A transpose into A is given by this identity matrix I. So problems of this transpose of matrices, they are very easy, and you just need to follow its property or property of this transpose and this multiplication addition. That's it. And if any problem or any queries are there, you are free to ask. And thank you.